Hi, my name's Theo Stevens. I'm the founder of Bright Idea Egress and Brighter Basements Egress. You can find us on the website at brightideaegress.com or brighterbasements.com. We build the best egress window systems that you can buy. Thanks for watching.
Okay, the purpose of this video is to illustrate to you how the structural aspects of the exo-frame can help you out on interior trim. Everybody knows the structural benefits to the foundation wall that the exo-frame serves. In this particular case, if you've got interior framing repair that needs to be done prior to trim, you might get to skip that step because you can take and insert this one-piece box into the exo-frame from the inside of the house. Keep in mind that the dimensions of this interior trim box can be changed. These sides can be trimmed back from 5.5 inches to whatever's appropriate. And then also the jamb depth can be modified. And you can take into consideration here for a wall being out of plumb. So anyhow, now we're going to take this interior trim box and we're going to set it into the back side of the exo-frame. Make note, we're going for this corner right here. So when the box sits in, it sits perfectly up against the window. And you'll see your interior trim solution is right here. Now you can choose to fasten at whatever fastening points, wherever you can find a stud, a piece of wood, or whatever, and you're done.